Hello, I am Matthew, 20 years old.
I'm Tracy, 19 years old.
Hey, I'm Helena. I'm 21 years old.
Actually, the commercial I remember,
The most ay yung
Bonakid 3 School, 3 Plus, yung sa Bonakid.
Pag 3 pataas, mag-Bonakid Preschool 3 plus. Pag 3 pataas, mag-Bonakid Preschool 3 plus. Batang may laban!
alala ko to dahil nga meron yung tatlong bata na sumasayaw dun sa jingle nung mismong commercial na yun.
naalala ko kasi yung jingle neto, talagang na LSS ako ng sobra.
Definitely because of number 1, yung jingle, and number 2, yung itsura ng commercial mismo, like the visuals. Kasi di ba may pa graphics sila, parang pag nakakita ko ng blue and white, tapos face paint pa, ay, for sure, Bonakid na to, ganon.
Kung naalala ko na maraming spoof or parodies na ginawa, yung sa Bubblegang na spoof.
Naalala ko nung high school ako, talagang ginagamit yung tono netong Bonakid Preschool 3 Plus sa mga jingle competitions.
Parang doon ko nalaman yung power ng really impactful jingles pagdating sa commercials and like sending a message to people.
Definitely, yes.
I think na-serve niya yung purpose niya, no? Kahit short, very remarkable talaga yung jingle. Talagang very clear yung message niya.
Kasi parang kung iisipin mo, even people outside of their target audience na reach nila.
Commercial should be fun and at the same time appealing to the audiences. So talagang dahil naalala ko nga siya, and I think even other people spoofing it is a proof na somehow it's really an effective commercial dahil mas madaling maalala yung brand and may retention sa mga tao.